I do not chase, I attract. I'm creating a life of love and abundance. Everything I need is within me. I am always guided toward my purpose. I claim my power.
The bag band is running again. It's Monday, 4:43, and it's cold outside. Don't be hating. Over here. Favorite time of day, y'all. I'm gonna do better at vlogging this week, for real. Fancy seeing you here.
What?
I said it's fancy seeing you here.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Likewise.
Thank goodness for car heaters, because it is 4:45 in the morning and it is cold. I mean, y'all probably don't think that's cold, but us in Florida, that's pretty cold. But anyways, it's Tuesday, headed off to the gym, and happy Tuesday. So this morning I woke up late and my kids were late for school, but it's okay because sometimes our body is just trying to tell us something, right? So I have my shake. I already have my tea. I drank my tea while they were getting ready for school, but I'll probably just go to the gym later tonight since we didn't make it this morning. I got these two still in their jammies. Say hi. Say hi, AJ. Hi. He's so cute. We are on day 5 now. No pacifier. He's saying hi now. He's doing great. But yeah. Trying to vlog for y'all, but this week's been crazy again, so let me get my stuff together for this. becoming obsessed with. I literally crave just this. So I'm just gonna eat 3 of them real quick before I leave to go pick up my kids from school. I don't know. I just really like these now. It's the bag man. It's Tuesday. It's 4:45 in the morning. I'm drinking my prepare. I didn't have a second drink. Green juice. I'm tired. We was at the gym last night till almost 8 o'clock. And now we're going at 4:45 in the morning because it just sucks the whole night away when you go at nighttime.
At the gym at 4:45.
Huh?
Supposed to be at the gym at 4:45.
Yep. Bagman wasn't that fast this morning.
Bagman ain't never fast. Good morning.
See you there.
See you there.
It's Wednesday, 4:40 in the morning. Got my prepared. Don't have my green juice because I've been up all night working and I didn't have enough time to drink that and this, so I'll drink that later with my lunch. But the bag man is coming, so I'm gonna follow him now to the gym.
Let it go, let it go, let it go.
It's cold and rainy out here, guys. Takes a lot of strong will to go to the gym like this. I can't believe it's Thursday already. And we haven't missed a day at the gym yet this week. We haven't had a rest day, babe.
Thursday or Wednesday?
Are you sure it's Thursday? I don't know either. Yeah, because Monday we went at night. Tuesday, Kamora missed school. Wednesday, Kamora missed school. And now it's Thursday. Wow. I'm that mom.
I wish my mom was cool as you. Damn. You was getting up.
Bagman's talking this morning, y'all. You know why? It's because we're leaving 6 minutes late.
That has nothing to do with it.
So now he has energy in one less bag. He's talking this morning.
Shut up.
I park over here. He park over there. I usually park way over there, but I left yesterday in the middle of the day. Where did we go? We went somewhere. Okay, off to the gym we go. It's Friday. Got my prepare, my tea, lift off, water. It's one of those mornings. Extremely tired. But it's finally Friday. Off to the gym. There's the bag man. I'm getting ready to go. It's cold outside, and these kids, it's cold and they got slushies. What's wrong with them? What?
It got over
What? to hear a funny story?
What's my story?
No, it's my funny story.
What's your funny story?
I'm wearing your sweater and you're wearing my sweatpants.
That's where.
Can I jump? I'm gonna fall.
Jump.